beautiful people. I hope y'all are doing fantastic on this Tuesday. Anyway, hi, those who don't know me. Before I get started, my name is Paris Smith. I was able to retire at 24 years old from the 9 to 5 through stock market trading and investing. Also, I was able to produce a six-figure in annual income through my trading in 6 months trading, which is so crazy. I was a beginner and I was producing six figures in annual income. And I trade a strategy that doesn't require charts. It doesn't require day trading or indicators. None of that stuff. So we're gonna go over it. I want y'all to take away three things, okay? I want y'all to take away three things. So go ahead and grab your journals, grab your notebooks, and all the things. Your laptop, your iPads, whatever it is, okay? I'm going to break it down. I'm going to try and break it down, okay, as much as I can. So lock in with your girl, okay? Now, this strategy, okay, when I say this strategy is so powerful, y'all. When people think about the stock market, the first thing that comes to mind when you say stock market trading, people think day trading. Oh, you a day trader. You gambling. When people think about the stock market or stock market trading, people think, you looking at charts. You gotta learn indicators. That's what people think when they think about trading, right? But this strategy is so rare, like it's so unique, and I love it so much. So basically, I'm gonna just break down like how it goes. Okay. So think of it like this. The best part about trading this strategy is one, you are investing, okay? And those who don't know what investing is, by the way, trading and investing is two different things. Okay, I'm gonna break it down for you. Trading is you're trading for income. Investing, you're like in and out real quick. And then investing is you're in it for the long run, right? Okay, so this strategy, you are doing three things. It's dope. You're investing because you have to purchase the shares in order to trade. Most people know day trading where you're purchasing the option. And it's cool though. It's cool when you purchase the option and you know the equity when it's good, when it's a good trade. The equity grows and your money grows. But then the stock goes down, you lose it. It's like, it's rapid. It's really, really risky if you're day trading. Those, my day traders out there, shout out to y'all. But anyway, that's not my ministry. But anyways, investing, you are purchasing shares first and you're sitting on the shares, right? Then you have the trading side. You're building income from this as well. So you have the shares you're investing, you're trading against the shares that you own for income. You still holding the shares and building equity that way, which is you're building wealth, right? That way. But then you're making an income. So the income that I make from this, y'all, I pay my bills. When I say I know how much I'm making every single week, it may be a range, but I know how much I'm making to pay these bills. And now in the beginning, it was, I need this strategy just to have something in my back pocket in case my 9 to 5 start acting crazy on me. So, and it was in case I get terminated, I have a source of income that's going to pay these bills. So that's what this strategy does. So long-term wealth, income, and the third thing is it's a second income source. If you do it right and if you strategize properly, you can have a second income from it, which is like the third, third type of return. We'll just see that. And it's through dividends. So you're holding shares, it's building equity, you're making an income off of those same shares, and you're building dividend income. Dope, right? Now, those are the three things. Now, let me tell you this. Before I started diving into this world of trading, all I knew All I knew was charts, day trading, all that stuff, and I was freaked out. Okay, I was freaked out, and y'all know I didn't know anything about trading. Like, I didn't know what a stock was. I didn't know what a US stock market was. I didn't know anything. It was my mom that came to me and she was like, you need to dive in and I want you to learn it and I want you to teach me. And I was like, Mom, you tripping because I have a little learning disability. How am I going to learn and teach you? Because it's a whole different thing when you're teaching, right? Like, you can learn it and understand it that way, but when you teach it, you got to really know what the heck you're talking about, right? So I went through that, went on YouTube trying to learn, and all I kept finding was day trading until I stumbled upon this. But I was so eager, y'all. I was so eager to figuring it out because I knew that I couldn't rely on my 9 to 5. And y'all know you cannot rely on your 9 to 5. I know y'all know that. I know I have a few people on here that have experienced something with the boss or their job or whatever. Maybe you were laid off. Maybe you were terminated. Maybe you were laid off for a reason that you had no, like, you had no control over, right? Things happen. I've been hearing stories of people getting laid off because of being in car accidents and trying to recover and all of those things. There's some things we just can't control. But your boss be quick to fire you. So that's why we need to have something in your back pocket that will continue to pay us no matter what, right? So boom, we have that. Now, let me continue. So I gave y'all the 3 things: the dividends, the income, and we have the building of the wealth, right? Okay, now let's go over the risk. Y'all, let's go over the risk. Let me tell you what makes it a little risky, okay? Let me get a little sip of water. Let me tell you how I get a little risky. Now, it get a little risky when your investment becomes a little risky. Now, I'll break it down. So hear me out. I am a type of trader that I can't do risk. I am the most low risk trader. I don't care about the hype over different stocks. I don't care about that. I want the slow, boring stock that goes up, increase in revenue slowly. I like the stocks that's boring because I know that my income is consistent. So make sure y'all write that down. Boring stock, make sure the income is consistent, right? Now, I'll tell you how this strategy gets really, really risky. And also, if you want to learn more about this, I am having a free stock trading masterclass. It's coming up soon, so go in the description and make sure you register for it. But anyways, it becomes risky when you choose a stock that's on the high risk side. So a stock that's volatile. Okay, if that stock moving about, we're gonna say more than $5 in 5 days, I'm gonna need you to stay away from it. I've noticed since I've been on here teaching the strategy and stuff, I've noticed that a lot of people have been like in my comments talking about how the strategy becomes risky, and it's because they're talking about stocks that are very volatile. Like the Teslas. Tesla crazy. The thing go up and down sometimes $20. You don't want a stock like that. You want a stock that is so boring. Okay? Boring. So make sure you write that down. And then 2, a stock that doesn't have the fundamentals. And I talk about this in the masterclass, the free masterclass, like how to find a stock with the fundamentals. Listen. If a stock, let's say today or tomorrow, the market is red, right? The market is red, it's falling, stocks dropping. It could be anything. It could be quad witching in the market. It could be bad earnings data. It could be the money man, Jerome Powell, coming out with maybe interest rates and don't lower the interest rates. It could be all kinds of things that make the market go down. Now listen. If you pick a stock that is risky and something happens with the company or their earnings or whatever, You can kiss your money goodbye if it doesn't have the fundamentals. It might come back up now. It might come back up because think about this. You're purchasing shares, so you're invested in the company, right? And when it goes down, your account value goes down with it if it's a risky stock and it doesn't have the fundamentals. But if you know that a stock have the fundamentals, you know that if it drops and go down a little bit, you cool. It's gonna come back up. You just gotta have a little patience. It may come up in a week, 2 weeks, maybe 3, but it's gonna come back up. So that's one of the risks that people don't talk about, but I'm gonna let y'all know. And that's that on that. Okay, now 2. Now this is on the good side. The good side. Yeah, we already talked about it briefly, but day trading, right? Maybe day trading, forex, all the other streams of all the other strategies and trading and stuff. You for real crossing your fingers and your toes, cause you don't know what you're doing. Now, my day traders that have been day trading for a minute, who actually sat down and studied every single day and dive deep, y'all might be odd. But those who are beginners in the stock market and you trying to learn how to day trade and you're not really putting in the effort to learn charts and indicators, you can go ahead and call yourself a gambler. You gambling. But on this side, this strategy that I've traded that allowed me to fire my boss at 24 years old, that pays my bills every single month, that allows me to invest into international property. Listen, that allowed me to pay off all my debt, that allowed me to travel to 7 countries in 1 year. Literally, it was like 6 months. But still, I traveled to 7 countries in a year. That allowed me to put my mama on, that allowed me to pay for my sister to get through college and teach her. This strategy right here is low risk, and it produces a guaranteed, consistent, effortless income every single month. It's too good. It's too good. It's too good. So let me think. So that's one risk. Volatile. If a stock is too volatile, we don't want it. We want stable. If a stock don't have the fundamentals, you ain't listen to me. Just listen. And so those are like the risks. So it's really, if you are a conservative type of trader and you're not with the hype and with all the things that go on with regularly trading that people know about day trading, then this strategy is for you. If you are more so on the low risk side and you kind of want to sit your money in something and trade once a week, maybe that takes a couple seconds. In my case, it takes me about probably 30 seconds because I already know what I'm trading, and I trade the same stock every single week. So it doesn't take no time, right? Then this is probably the strategy for you. Now, let's go into what I want to go into. I want to go into the income. So I'm going to dive deep into that a little bit more. Now, when you're trading a stock, this strategy is a stock that offers a premium. Okay, that's how we get our income. We make our income through the premium. And so we're making this premium, and the premium it's a range. There's a range to it. Let's use my first company that I've ever traded before was AMD. And at the time when I first started trading, it was at $50, I think it was like $50, $55. I think it was $55, something like that. So the premium though was $2.50. But since I own 100 shares, I'm making $250. Now there's a range to it though. It could be $250, could be the low end to it, and maybe like $270, $280 is like the high range. So there's some weeks I'm making $250, and then there's some weeks I'm making $280. But there's a range, and I know that I'm about to pay these bills with this range. You feel me? A lot of people get in trouble too when they be bouncing all around trying to trade all these different stocks. Stop it. Once you find a stock that offers a really good premium and you notice that it's consistent, it has a range, you can trade it, different options. Maybe you could trade it monthly. You can trade it bi-weekly. You can trade it weekly if you wanted to. If it has options, you could. Why are you switching it up? Hopping in and out all these different companies. Stop it. So you have that. Then you have the equity that grows from it. Just by you sitting in the stock, when the market goes up, then your equity goes up in the stock. So your account value goes up. Then you have the dividends. If you're in the stock during the dividend date, you getting the dividend too. So if the dividend about $2.50 and you got 100 shares, that's $250 extra. I don't think y'all picking up what I'm putting down. Y'all not picking up what I'm putting down. Listen, do you understand how this strategy could possibly change the trajectory of your life, your family's lives, your children's lives? Like, this strategy is so powerful, and I'm so grateful to the Lord for putting me on. First of all, he told my mama about it. Then my mama told me about it. Then I started diving deeper into it. But anyways, it's been a huge blessing. So don't play with it, okay? Don't play with it. Don't play with this information, all right? Don't play with the information. Now, with that being said, let me go check out the chat. I'm sorry. I was not reading the chat, y'all. I am so sorry. Hey, y'all. I see y'all in here. Do y'all have any questions? Let me see. I'm learning toward disruptive sectors, AI, robotic, and computing. I love that. Yes, I like Microsoft. That's always going to be a superior stock. Microsoft, it's a part of the Magnificent Seven, and I love that. If you're looking for like companies to invest in, listen, I'm not a financial advisor, but I will give you some gems based on what I've been doing. Check out the Magnificent Seven. If a buyer decides to exercise their right to buy my stock, is that something done automatically, or do I have to manually put my stock for sale? No, Monica, that's done automatically. Think of your trading account, your broker. Think of everything working like a system, like it's all tech. That if let's say your stock goes to your strike, for an example, it's just gonna sell it. Like, there's nothing you have to do. It's all tech. Of course, Richie. You got two stocks. Okay, what's the stock? T and V, AT&T and Verizon, and I got a bonus. My favorite pizza place. Okay, let me see. Hold on. Let me turn on my laptop. Hold on, Richie. Let me see. Hold on, Richie. You said AT&T. I don't know, but we're gonna see AT&T. I heard some things. Let me see. Hold on. I'm feeling good. I just worked out. Yes. I love that. Yes, leverage your 9 to 5. I need to move this to the side real quick. Oh, hold on. Hold on. I'm trying to get my computer on. Yes, leverage your 9 to 5. That's what I did. I worked in tech, and I used every bit of that tech bag. Hold on, let me put your back. I utilize every bit of my 9 to 5 tech income to invest into stocks. I wasn't playing no games. And then I started working a third job just for my stocks. I had my tech 9 to 5, and then I worked from home for a newspaper company. And then my third job was after my 9 to 5. I went to work at this restaurant, and I was shining wine glasses. But I made money though. I put it in my stock account, and I was trading. Okay, so you said, what was it? You said AT&T, Richie. I think you said AT&T and Verizon. Hold on, let me press the button. Okay, let me check it out. Say you redeem yourself. Okay, let me see. Ready to get started? Just join your community. Hey, Lisa. Awesome. Make sure you come to coaching tomorrow. We have our coaching tomorrow at 12:30. Make sure you come and join us. We get on. So this strategy, you are investing and you're selling a contract. So you're trading and investing. I know 3 jobs is crazy, and it was crazy, and I got plantar fasciitis in my feet. Plantar fasciitis, it hurt so bad. I was down bad. But anyways, Richie, Richie, I don't like AT&T, Richie. No. They don't have the fundamentals. We don't like that. Hold on. You said you came to the masterclass, Richie. I talk about how to look at the fundamentals in the free masterclass. And I got another one coming up too if you want to register for that one so we can do a little refresher, Richie. But Verizon and AT&T looking down bad. No, Richie, make sure you come back to the masterclass, the free masterclass. Register for it. The link is in the description, Richie. I need you to come on back. I'll teach you that in the masterclass, Richie. You say your girlfriend coming. Join it with her. Let's see. Yeah, so I'm having another free masterclass tomorrow. And another one on Sunday. It's every Wednesday and every Sunday. I'm looking for some remote work and doing Uber Eats. Okay. That's what I'm talking about. Richie, search Walmart Spark. If you have a Walmart near you, search Walmart Spark. Walmart Spark, they pay real good. It's just like DoorDash. It's just like Instacart. You don't have to shop though. You don't have to shop. You just pull up, they put the groceries in, you drop it off to people's homes, but you make the bag. Use that to fund your trading account or your investments. The masterclass is on Wednesday at 7 p.m. and tomorrow at 7 p.m. Eastern. Do you have to pay the margin back to the brokerage? So how that works is when your trade expires, the money just goes back into your margin balance. So they offer you margin and then you use the margin, you pay a small fee, interest fee, which is so laughable. And then when the trade expires, margin goes back into your margin balance. It's called Walmart Spark. It's almost like DoorDash or Instacart. Those of you that are looking for another stream to like fund your account or start investing, I would definitely look into that. I've been putting all my friends on. 4 shares of what's that? What's that stock? You have 4 shares of what now? The platform I use is E-Trade right now. Hold on. Thank you. I was wondering how to get a job with them. Oh, yes. Just go online. And you got to do like a whole application. And you got to pick your zone and do your background check and all that stuff. But it may take some time to get approved. But it's worth it. Once you get approved, make sure you do not let that account go. Make sure you keep that thing up. You never know. Listen, let me tell y'all something. I may be a multi-millionaire. I may have $1 million in assets. I may have $1 million other streams of income because your girl, she be working. Right? But I'm going to always have that Walmart Spark on the side. I'm going to always keep that account active because you never know what's coming. I don't care. I'm always ready for anything. I don't care. Even if a friend come up to me, anyone come up to me and say, Paris, I'm down bad, I will give them my account. I don't care. I'm always going to have my Walmart Spark. Now, DoorDash, they didn't. DoorDash, look, I don't mess with DoorDash because Mm-mm. But that Walmart Spark, no, you need to some extra income. And you trying to really like put that income into your, listen, I've been putting my friends on. Get your tail out after work. Wake up early in the morning. On the weekends, and especially right now because holiday. Take your tail to Walmart and turn the app on. Make you some money and put it in your stocks. Put it in your trading account so you can start trading to make an income off of that. Y'all gotta get to work. It ain't gonna be easy, but once you work hard now, you'll be chilling later. Can you do options with REITs? The way you make high dividends, you can earn option income. That's a good question. I never searched it. I never looked at REITs option chain. But if you list one here or give me something, I can like do my research. But as long as there's an option chain for it, I'm sure you can trade the strategy. Let's see. As long as your stock continues to increase in value, you do not have to pay back the money. And if your brokerage account is in business, you get to write off the interest as expense. Yes. I do swings on all the time. Awesome. That's good. Good stuff. Oh, C3AI. That's the ticker. Hold on. Ooh, don't fall now. I ain't got time. You said C3. You sure that's the what is that? D? What's your name? D, what's that? Is it $31? What is this? C3AI. AI stock? Yeah, it do look good. It's an AI. Oh yeah, this do look all right. This look all right. 183, 252, 266, 310, 325. This thing going on the up. Yeah, this look good. This look good. You mentioned, hold on. You mentioned how when the brokerage gives you margin, they usually match your account. If you don't have much in your account, would they still give you margin? So you have to have 2,000 in your account before margin can match it, at least in E-Trade. I don't know how it works with other brokers, but with E-Trade, that's their requirement. So I would just call like different brokers and see what their margin requirements are. So I had a call on, and we sold at 55% profit last week. Nice. Thank you, Monica. You're so sweet. I'm just trying to put my people on because it don't make no sense that people living in lack. The stock market in front of all of our face. Stock market is here in front of all of our face, and we sitting here struggling, living paycheck to paycheck. For what? Y'all need to learn. Oh, Lord, it's a penny stock. Jesus, I don't do penny stocks now, but I'll look at it. This one ain't it. First of all, it looked like the annual is going up slowly, but what's going on with the quarterly? The earnings looking real bad. I'll wait a little bit, but AKTS, okay. But yeah, I always say that it doesn't make no sense. Y'all don't understand how easy trading this strategy is. It really doesn't make no sense. And we up here breaking our neck to work for somebody. I don't even care. Even if you wanted to work forever, that's cool. Like, I love that. I'm never doing it again. Never doing it again. But if you want to work a 9 to 5 and make this on the side, you can. This type of strategy you're not sitting in front of a screen all day. It literally takes you seconds once a week to make the trade and make your income, make the income the same day. Let's see. All brokers require 2K margin. I just researched it recently. Trade Charles Schwab. Yeah, penny stocks are risky. Each broker counts different. In your account before they will approve you for margin. Yes. But anyways, I definitely encourage you guys to dig deep. Please stop playing with it. Okay? Stop playing with your life. Are you trying to live this life forever? You trying to live, maybe you're not living in lack, maybe you're doing all right for yourself, but it's time to start making a little money on your own, off your own strength, okay? Your own knowledge. It's too easy. I told you I had a learning disability. I don't have it no more though. The Lord, he did his thing, because your girl in college right now, and she got 6 A's and 1 C. So where is that? I don't know. And plus, y'all know I'm trading now. So the Lord, he did his thing with me. But when I first started learning how to trade, yeah, that learning disability was at an all-time high. And I was like, how the heck am I going to learn this? Because stocks sound hard, and you sound like you have to be a millionaire to do it, and I don't got no money, and I was only 18 at the time, and I was like, how am I going to make this work? But then I started diving deep, and I was like, all you need is 100 shares. Take your time. You're not going to be a millionaire overnight. That's what's wrong with y'all. Y'all trying to get this microwavable success. Stop it! Trying to get this microwavable success. Stop it. If you don't just grind right now, work. Wake up. This is what some of y'all need to do. Y'all need to wake up early in the morning before it's time to actually get up and get your ass. Study. Get yourself together. Go to work. On the way to work, listen to something inspiring. Listen to a good book. Listen to a book on managing your money. Do something like, listen to something about stocks. I don't know. Look something on the way to work. I'm sure some of y'all driving to work. I'm sure some of y'all on the train to work. Listen to something instead of music and all that stuff. Educate, something that feeds your mind. Work. And then when you get off of work, you do the same thing. And then when you get home, dive deep again. I'm trying to tell you, if you put in the work now, later on, you will be sitting pretty. It took me 5 years. I was 18 to 23. 5 years before I made my first trade. I studied every single day for 5 years, and I became obsessed with it. Some of y'all need to become obsessed with it. But look at me now. I would never, ever work a 9 to 5 again. I would never, ever need a boss again. I don't have to worry about no manager firing me because of my chronic disease, because I'm trying to take care of myself. I would never have to worry about a boss not giving me a raise that I deserve. I don't got to worry about micromanaging boss. I don't got to worry about none of that no more. I don't have to worry about spending all my time at work. I don't got to worry about that no more. The stock market is not racist. Y'all know, y'all African Americans, we be going through some things in corporate America, and I'm pretty sure other race as well. But, and being a woman, especially me in tech, women in tech, we be going through some things. The stock market rewards us when we deserve it. The stock market don't know what you are, black, white, red, orange, green, purple. The stock market don't care. It's gonna give you a reward if you're right. If you know what you're doing. The stock market don't tell me when to go to lunch. Nope. I go to lunch. The stock market don't tell me when I gotta get up in the morning or when to get off. Nope. I wake up when I want. I pray for as long as I want in the morning. If I want to pray in the morning for 15 minutes, I pray for 15 minutes. If I want to pray for 45 minutes in the morning, I'm going to pray for 45 minutes in the morning. If I want to pray for an hour in the morning and take my time and get myself together in the morning and get dressed and start my day, I'm going to do that because the stock market pay my bills. Not no funky boss. Not no employer. I create my own salary. That's what y'all need to start thinking about. How much longer are you about to live the same life every single day? At some point, you get tired of being sick and tired. And I was sick and tired being sick and tired very early on. Listen, I've been through some things in corporate America. How can I do it? And especially with my mama in my ear, because y'all know my mama, she never worked a 9 to 5. My mom has always been an entrepreneur. My dad has always been an entrepreneur. My grandma has always been an entrepreneur. That's all I've been born and raised into. And them telling me that you need to leverage your 9 to 5 and get the heck. I hear that every day. And then my family mad that I even worked a 9 to 5 in corporate America. And I got to listen to that too. I gotta go. I knew it wasn't gonna be long. Nope. So y'all get to work. All right, let's see. Yes, Monica, that's what I'm talking about. I have to get this. Learning while mommying and wifing. Girl, let me tell you something. You can do it. Because I was a mommy too. To twins. Newborns. And working a full-time job. And doing an internship. And in college. All while taking care of newborn twins. You can do it, mama. And carrying a chronic disease. You got it? You can do anything. You put your mind to it. Create a schedule. Carve out some time. You got it. Yes. Yes, Charles. For those of you that are attending the live free stock trading masterclass tomorrow, you will receive the link tomorrow. So it'll be in the morning. You'll receive the link through email and text. So that's when you'll receive the link to join us. But anyways, y'all, I'm done rambling for today. I have 100 shares of stock. I wish I never bought 100 shares of. Can I still do something with the already existing shares? Yes. If you are in a stock and it's not doing good and you notice that your income or your account value is decreasing because maybe you ain't know the fundamentals, just go ahead and trade. Just trade it. You have the stocks. Just trade it. Just trade against the shares that you already own. So you're good. And then once you make that money back, then just sell it. Just get out. So yeah, that's a really good strategy. Excuse me, I just burped. Anyways, the masterclass is tomorrow at 7 o'clock p.m. I'm going to see y'all there. Tomorrow, I'm going to figure what y'all want to learn. Let me know in the chat what y'all want to learn. I'll be back tomorrow, and I'll be back on Thursday. And then Friday, we're going to do the stock market tea of the week. So I'm going to break down how the market was this week and give y'all some education and stuff like that. I think that'll be really helpful for y'all because it's time to learn these things. Okay? You're not about to be, uneducated in the stock market world no more. So I'm going to come on Friday. We're going to break it down. Okay, I don't do charts, Charles. We don't do charts over here. We don't do that. I don't trade with charts. Financial fundamentals. I got you. Financial fundamentals. And then DiCarlo, what do you mean? That is encouraging. Thank you so much. I'm ready to learn. Thank you for doing this and sharing your knowledge. Of course. Of course. Yeah, I could talk about stock trading all day. I could teach stocks all day. It's so good. It's so good and it's so easy. No, you can go ahead and join us. We have orientation starting on Monday, so you can go ahead and join us. We have some seats available. We can get you all set up and all that good stuff. If you have the link. If you don't have the link, then just send us an email. But anyways, so y'all said y'all want to learn the fundamentals. The fundamentals. Yes. So if you are not able to make the masterclass, yes. Let me see. The fundamentals and what else? I think that was it. So I got y'all. I'll be here every day. I'm going to teach you a little something. I can't wait for tomorrow now. Y'all know my favorite stock in the world, NVIDIA. NVIDIA is my favorite stock. And that thing got earnings tomorrow. If the stock go up, baby, she's stashing. If the stock go down, baby, I'm about to buy some more. So it don't matter. Okay, tomorrow at 7 o'clock is the masterclass. Yes, NVIDIA. Ooh. I love me some NVIDIA. I was sitting there watching MSNBC and I was like, look at that thing. Look at that thing. But anyway, all right, y'all, I got to go. If you need me, you know where to find me. With that being said, those of y'all that's coming to the masterclass, I'll see y'all tomorrow. Have another one on Sunday too, by the way. Just keep coming back to the video. Clicking the link in the description. I may have an upcoming class coming up. And all that good stuff. We're going to have a good time. All right, y'all. Hope this was helpful for y'all. I'll be back tomorrow around the same time, 12:30. All right, y'all. I got to go. Bye.